Hello folks, welcome to the channel. If you have faced Diskpart has encountered an error message, then watch this video for the solution. Now the first thing we can do is run the Diskpart command in the command prompt elevated mode. So we will run as administrator, and then in the elevated mode we will enter the command Diskpart, and then we will try. It should work. If it doesn't, then we need to enter the command chk dsk /f /r and press enter. Now if that too doesn't work, then we need to go to the drive which is facing this issue. In this case, let us say it's the C drive. So go to open the file explorer, go to this PC C drive, right click on C drive and click on properties, click on the tools bar and then click on check. Click on scan drive and it should start scanning the drive for any errors, and then you can try the diskpart command again in command prompt. Now if that too doesn't work, then we have to make a fix in the registry editor. So we will copy this path here. You will find this in the description of the video, and then you need to open the registry editor in the administrator mode. I have already opened it, and then you need to copy and paste this command and press enter. Now here in the start DWORD 32-bit type, you need to right click on it, click on modify and make sure that the value is set as 3. If it's not, set it at 3 and press OK. Then you need to restart the computer by clicking the start button, the power button and the restart button. Now if that too doesn't work, then you need to run the SFC scan. So we'll go to command prompt in the administrator mode, run as administrator, and then we will enter the command sfc /scannow and press enter and wait for the scan to finish. Once that is done, we will also run the device troubleshooter. So for that we need to press the Windows and the R key together and enter the command msdt.exe -id device and press enter. This will open the hardware and devices troubleshooter. Click on next and it will scan and fix any other issues that are there in the computer. And lastly, we will reinstall all the USB controllers. So go to device manager and expand universal series bus controllers. Now you need to reinstall all these USB series controllers. So right click on it, click on uninstall device and do this for all of these devices here, this one and the USB root hubs. And then once you do that, click on universal series bus controllers again, click on action and click on scan for hardware changes, and it will reinstall for all of the devices. Once you do that, restart the computer by pressing the start button, the power button and the restart button, and then you can try running diskpart in command prompt and it should work. If this video helped you, then please subscribe to this channel. Enjoy your day.